entire Mississippi Valley area, which is hundreds of miles in any direction you might go. There is nothing older than it because there was nothing else out here but that building. Because if you've studied anything in American history, it's always about the 13 colonies and the pilgrims and all that shit. Out here, it's different. You guys are actually in a different country that had nothing to do with that history. You never learned it unless you've taken special classes. This area is called New France. New France was the largest country in the world at the time. A third of Canada, a third of United States, parts of Mexico, all the Caribbean islands, and it was all controlled by the king. And the capital of New France was in Montreal. Which, side note, that's where I'm from. The only thing you need to know about Montreal is that it freezes fucking solid 14 of the 12 months of the year. So for 120 plus years, ships would come in, they'd freeze freaking solid in the dock, and they'd get broken apart, and there's all kinds of nightmare. And then King Louis XIV went, why the fuck is my capital up with something?